What's good, guys? Back with another video. Today's gonna be the test drive of the truck. I'm actually about to get ready. I got the dog outside, taking her out. Gonna go head over his house. We're gonna take the truck out, let it warm up, test drive the truck, show you guys how the truck runs, and then from there we're gonna see. I'm gonna see what you guys put down low in the comment section. What you guys think about the truck? Is it worth it? Is it not worth it? And yeah, don't mind the face because I just woke up. Literally just woke up. And yeah, let's get right into it. He sounds like a beast to me.